Do you dream of becoming a millionaire? Does the thought of financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms excite you? You don't need to win the lottery or be born into wealth to achieve this dream. The path to becoming a millionaire is more accessible than you might think. With the right mindset, a well-defined strategy, unwavering discipline, and a commitment to continuous learning, you can build $1 million net worth no matter where you start your journey. It's about making smart choices, consistently working towards your goals, and understanding the principles of wealth creation. This isn't just about accumulating money, it's about building a secure and fulfilling future. In this video, we'll break down a proven roadmap to financial success that anyone can follow, regardless of their current income or background. We'll explore the key steps, strategies, and habits that millionaires use to build their wealth, providing you with a practical guide to achieving your own financial goals. The first step is mental. Millionaires think differently about money, opportunity, and risk. They believe in abundance, focusing on creating value and generating wealth over the long term. They understand the power of delayed gratification and the importance of self-discipline in achieving their financial goals. Train your mind to think like a millionaire, set clear, specific, and measurable financial goals. Cultivate an optimistic but realistic outlook, focusing on solutions rather than obstacles. Surround yourself with successful and supportive people who can inspire and motivate you on your journey. Continuously seek knowledge and learn from the experiences of others. Embarking on the journey to wealth building requires a fundamental understanding of money management. It's not just about earning, it's about knowing where your money goes and how to make it work for you. The first crucial step is to meticulously track your income and expenses. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook to record every dollar coming in and going out. This detailed tracking will reveal your spending habits and highlight areas where you can cut back. Once you have a clear picture of your financial inflows and outflows, the next step is to create a realistic monthly budget. This budget should allocate your income to essential expenses like housing, food, transportation, and utilities, as well as savings and debt repayment. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits and avoid creating an overly restrictive budget that you won't be able to stick to. A good budget is a roadmap to your financial goals, guiding you towards a secure and prosperous future. Building a solid financial foundation involves two critical components: establishing an emergency fund and eliminating high-interest debt. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, providing a cushion for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This fund will prevent you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Simultaneously, prioritize eliminating high-interest debt such as credit card debt and payday loans. These debts can quickly spiral out of control due to their high interest rates, hindering your progress towards financial freedom. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to systematically pay off your debts. Remember, if you can't manage $1,000 effectively, you won't be able to manage $1 million. Mastering the basics of money management is essential for building long-term wealth. While saving is undoubtedly important, increasing your income is a critical component of wealth building. Saving alone can only take you so far. Boosting your earning potential can significantly accelerate your progress towards your financial goals. Explore various avenues to increase your income, starting with your current job. Don't be afraid to ask for a raise if you believe you deserve it. Research industry standards for your position and experience level and present a compelling case to your employer. If a raise isn't feasible, consider switching to a higher paying career or company. Sometimes, a change of scenery can lead to a significant increase in your earning potential. In addition to your primary job, consider starting a side hustle. A side hustle can be anything from freelancing to starting a small business. It's a great way to generate additional income and diversify your revenue streams. In today's rapidly evolving economy, acquiring high-demand skills is essential for increasing your earning potential. Focus on learning skills that are highly valued by employers, such as coding, copywriting, sales, or digital marketing. These skills can open doors to new career opportunities and allow you to command higher salaries. Online courses, workshops, and boot camps are excellent resources for acquiring these skills. Furthermore, remember that most millionaires have multiple income streams. Diversifying your income sources can provide financial security and accelerate your wealth building journey. Explore opportunities to generate passive income, such as investing in real estate or creating online courses. The more income streams you have, the less reliant you are on a single source of income, and the faster you can build wealth. Here's the real secret to building substantial wealth: investing. Saving money is important, but it's not enough to achieve true financial freedom. Your money needs to work for you, generating returns that outpace inflation and grow your wealth over time. Investing allows you to put your money to work in assets that have the potential to appreciate in value and generate income. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio of index funds, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and dividend-paying stocks. Index funds and ETFs offer broad market exposure, allowing you to participate in the growth of the overall economy. Dividend-paying stocks provide a steady stream of income which can be reinvested to further accelerate your wealth accumulation. Take advantage of retirement accounts such as 401ks and IRAs to save for your future while enjoying tax benefits. These accounts allow your investments to grow tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on the earnings until you withdraw them in retirement. The power of compound interest is a key driver of wealth accumulation. Compound interest is the interest you earn on both your initial investment and the accumulated interest from previous periods. Over time, compound interest can significantly amplify your returns. For example, investing $500 monthly at a 10% annual return can result in over $1 million in 30 years. This demonstrates the incredible potential of long-term investing and the importance of starting early. Millionaires understand the importance of acquiring assets that generate income rather than liabilities that drain their wealth. They buy things that make money, such as real estate that generates rental income, businesses that produce profits, and investments that pay dividends. On the other hand, they avoid accumulating luxury items that depreciate in value and consume their cash flow. Luxury cars, expensive clothes, and lavish vacations may provide temporary gratification, but they ultimately detract from your long-term financial goals. Focus on cash flow. Prioritize acquiring assets that put money into your pocket rather than liabilities that take it out. This means investing in businesses, real estate, or other assets that generate passive income. Passive income is income that you earn without actively working for it. It can provide financial freedom and allow you to pursue your passions. By focusing on cash flow, you can build a sustainable stream of income that supports your lifestyle and allows you to achieve your financial goals. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective. By following these action steps, you can lay the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Becoming a millionaire isn't about getting rich overnight with some fleeting trend or lucky gamble. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It requires a fundamental shift in mindset, a commitment to building wealth brick by brick. Be patient with the process. Understand that compounding takes time and stay consistent in your efforts. Automate your savings and investing so that even when life gets busy, your money is still working for you. Think of it as planting a tree. The best time to plant it was yesterday, but the next best time is today. Every small contribution, every disciplined investment adds up over time. Avoid these millionaire killers, trying to get rich quick through high-risk schemes, accumulating bad debt on depreciating assets, overspending on unnecessary luxuries that drain your resources, and most importantly, not having a clear financial plan. Without a roadmap, you're just wandering aimlessly. These pitfalls can derail your progress and set you back years. Recognize them, avoid them, and protect your financial future. Remember, building wealth is as much about avoiding mistakes as it is about making smart investments. It's about plugging the leaks in your financial bucket. So can you become a millionaire? Absolutely. It's not a pipe dream reserved for a select few. It's an achievable goal for anyone willing to put in the work and make smart choices. But only if you're willing to start today. No more procrastination. Stay disciplined in your spending and investing habits and commit to the long game, understanding that building wealth takes time and dedication. It's about delayed gratification, sacrificing short-term pleasures for long-term financial security. Remember, save smart by budgeting and tracking your expenses. Invest wisely in assets that generate long-term returns. Earn more by increasing your income streams and developing valuable skills. And keep learning about personal finance and investing to make informed decisions. The best time to start was yesterday to take advantage of compounding returns. The second best time, right now. Don't let another day go by without taking action. Your millionaire journey starts today with a single step, a single decision. Take control of your finances, educate yourself, and commit to building a brighter future. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends and family to spread the knowledge, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing financial tips and insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.